Forget the old stereotype of struggling after 60. These 30 gadgets turn simple daily chores into effortless wins. From lifting yourself off the couch to gripping slippery floors, some of these are pure genius. Getting up shouldn't feel like a workout. This stand assist device turns one of the toughest daily movements into something smooth and controlled. Designed with sturdy support and ergonomic handles, it gives you that extra push exactly when you need it. Whether it's a low couch or a deep armchair, this gadget helps you rise safely without straining your knees or back. It's especially useful for anyone dealing with balance issues or reduced strength. Think of it as a quiet helper, always ready beside you, giving you confidence every single time you stand. Freedom shouldn't fade with age, and this mobility scooter proves it. Built with a powerful motor and a high weight capacity, it's designed to handle more than just smooth pavements. Whether you're heading to the store, visiting friends, or just enjoying fresh air, this scooter keeps you moving without stress. The long-lasting battery can take you up to 50 kilometers on a single charge, so range is never a problem. Add in headlights, turn signals, a USB charging port, and advanced brakes, and you've got a ride that's not just convenient, but confidently safe. Twisting open jars can feel impossible when your hands don't cooperate. But this gadget changes everything. The arthritis jar opener is designed to take the pressure off your grip, making it easy to open bottles and lids of different sizes with minimal effort. No more struggling, no more asking for help. It works smoothly, grips tightly, and even sticks to metal surfaces like your fridge for quick access. Whether you're dealing with arthritis or just reduced strength, this tool turns a frustrating daily task into something fast, simple, and completely stress-free. Reading a tiny print shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. This magnifying glass brings everything back into clear focus, literally. With a powerful lens and built-in LED lighting, it brightens and enlarges text so you can read comfortably without straining your eyes. Whether it's books, medication labels, or detailed crafts, you'll see every detail with ease. The adjustable lighting modes let you choose what's most comfortable for your eyes, day or night. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for restoring clarity to everyday tasks that once felt frustrating. Some daily tasks are personal, and this tool helps you handle them with dignity. Designed for individuals who struggle with flexibility or mobility, this toilet aid makes hygiene easier and more independent. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the extended length ensures effective reach without strain. The soft, flexible end is gentle on the skin, making the process both safe and comfortable. It's discreet, easy to clean, and built for everyday use. Most importantly, it restores confidence and independence in a part of life that truly matters. This orthopedic wedge pillow is designed to support your body exactly where it needs it most. Whether you're dealing with back pain, acid reflux, or snoring, its angled design helps improve posture and reduce pressure. Made from dense yet comfortable foam, it adapts to your body while keeping you properly aligned. It's perfect for sleeping, reading, or just relaxing in bed. Adjustable and versatile, this pillow turns your rest time into true recovery, helping you wake up feeling refreshed instead of stiff. When emergencies happen, every second counts, and this device makes sure help is never far away. With just the press of a button, you can instantly alert caregivers or family members. The system includes multiple receivers and call buttons that work across long distances, even through walls. Loud alerts and customizable tones ensure the call is never missed. You can wear it as a pendant or place it nearby for quick access. It's simple, reliable, and incredibly reassuring, giving both seniors and their loved ones peace of mind around the clock. Designed with advanced technology, it filters background noise and focuses on voices so you can hear clearly even in busy environments. Whether you're at a family gathering or a cafe, every word becomes easier to understand. It's rechargeable, discreet, and comfortable enough for all-day use. Plus, with professional support available, it can be fine-tuned to your needs. It's not just about hearing better, it's about reconnecting with the world around you. Falls can happen in seconds, but this simple upgrade helps prevent them entirely. AntiSlip Tape adds a strong, reliable grip to surfaces like stairs, ramps, and walkways. Once applied, it stays firmly in place, even in extreme weather conditions. It's waterproof, durable, and even glows in the dark for better visibility at night. Whether indoors or outdoors, it creates a safer environment instantly. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to reduce risk at home, because sometimes the simplest solutions make the biggest difference. Good lighting changes everything, and this clip-on lamp gives you control wherever you need it. It attaches easily to beds, desks, or tables, delivering focused light exactly where you want it. The adjustable brightness and color temperature let you customize your experience, whether you're reading, crafting, or winding down for the night. Its flexible neck makes positioning effortless, while the eye care mode reduces strain and promotes better sleep. Compact, versatile, and powerful, it's a small gadget that brings big comfort to your daily routine. Made to provide stable support, it helps you rise safely without putting too much strain on your body. It's lightweight, portable, and adjustable to suit different heights. The non-slip base keeps it steady, while the strong build ensures it can handle significant weight. Whether you're gardening, picking something off the floor, or just standing up, this tool makes the process smoother, safer, and far less stressful. Reaching high places doesn't have to feel risky. This two-step stool gives you the height you need without compromising safety. Built with non-slip steps and a sturdy handrail, it offers balance and support every step of the way. Whether you're reaching for items in a cabinet or doing light chores around the house, it keeps you steady and secure. Strong, durable, and easy to use, it eliminates the fear of slipping or falling. It's a simple solution that makes everyday tasks safer and more accessible. This compact assist handle gives you instant support exactly where you need it. It fits securely into your car door latch, creating a stable grip for sitting or standing. No installation, no hassle, just slide it in and go. Despite its small size, it's incredibly strong and can support significant weight. Lightweight and easy to store, it's perfect for everyday use or travel. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in mobility. This long handle nail clipper makes the process simple and accessible. The extended reach allows you to trim comfortably while sitting or standing without straining your back. It even includes a built-in magnifier for better precision, so you can see exactly what you're doing. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's designed for ease and control. Whether you have limited mobility or just want convenience, this tool turns a difficult task into a quick and effortless routine. Sometimes you need support and sometimes you need a break. This 2-in-1 folding cane does both. It works as a sturdy walking aid and quickly transforms into a comfortable seat whenever you need to rest. Perfect for long walks, queues, or outings. It's lightweight yet strong enough to support your weight. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit, while the non-slip base keeps you steady. It folds easily for storage and travel, making it a reliable companion wherever you go. It is designed to target areas like the neck, shoulders, and back. It delivers soothing warmth that relaxes muscles and eases tension. With adjustable heat settings, you can choose the level that feels just right. It heats up quickly and distributes warmth evenly, giving you comfort within minutes. Whether after a long day or during a cold evening, it's the perfect way to unwind, relax, and feel better without medication. Steps and doorways shouldn't be barriers, and this portable ramp removes them instantly. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry and set up wherever you need it. Despite its portability, it's incredibly strong, supporting wheelchairs, scooters, and walkers with ease. The non-slip surface ensures safe movement, while reflective strips improve visibility in low light. Whether at home or on the go, it provides smooth, secure access over obstacles. It's a simple yet powerful solution that restores mobility and independence in everyday life. This reacher tool is like having a longer, stronger arm whenever you need it. At 32 inches, it lets you grab items from the floor or high shelves without bending or stretching. The non-slip grip holds objects securely, even smooth ones, while the magnetic tip adds extra convenience. From picking up keys to reaching a jar, it saves effort and protects your back. It's simple, lightweight, and incredibly useful. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. The bathroom can be one of the most dangerous places in the home, but this shower chair changes that instantly. Built with a non-slip frame and a comfortable seat, it allows you to shower safely without worrying about slipping. It's lightweight yet strong, with adjustable height to suit your needs. No more rushing or holding onto walls, just a calm, safe, and comfortable shower experience every single day. This clever Sockade lets you slide into your socks without bending over. Perfect for anyone with back pain, limited mobility, or post-surgery recovery. It's designed with a soft, flexible shell that gently holds the sock open. The long cords allow you to pull it up effortlessly while staying seated. It restores independence in the simplest way possible. No assistance needed, no struggle involved, just an easy, smooth start to your day. This isn't just a walker, it's a posture upgrade. Unlike traditional walkers that make you hunch over, this upright walker keeps you standing tall and comfortable. It reduces pressure on your back, neck, and shoulders while providing solid support. With a built-in seat, you can rest anytime, anywhere. It's foldable, easy to move, and comes with storage for your essentials. Smooth wheels and safety brakes make every step secure. Whether indoors or outdoors, it gives you freedom to move with confidence and dignity. This electric floor lift is a game changer for seniors. With the push of a button, it gently lifts you back to a seated or standing position. No strain, no panic, no waiting for help. Built strong and stable, it supports a wide range of users and works in any room. It folds away easily when not in use. This is more than a gadget, it's peace of mind, knowing you can recover safely and independently after a fall. Moving from bed to chair shouldn't require multiple people. This transfer chair makes it smooth, safe, and stress-free. Designed for easy mobility, it glides effortlessly between spaces, bed, toilet, wheelchair, or car. The sturdy build and secure seating keep users stable, while caregivers avoid unnecessary strain. With 360-degree wheels and locking brakes, control is always in your hands. It's one of those tools that improves both safety and independence at the same time. With a large, clear display, it shows not just the time, but the day, date, and even reminders. Perfect for seniors, especially those with memory challenges, it helps keep daily routines on track. Medication alerts, appointment reminders, it's all built in. Day or night, the screen stays easy to read. It's not just a clock, it's a daily guide that keeps life organized and stress-free. Sometimes all you need is something to hold on to. This suction grab bar attaches instantly to smooth surfaces. No drilling, no tools. It provides strong support in slippery areas like showers and bathtubs. The anti-slip grip and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold, while its solid build helps prevent dangerous falls. It's quick to install, easy to move, and incredibly effective. A small addition that makes a huge difference in bathroom safety. This electric toilet lift gently tilts and raises you with minimal effort. With supportive armrests and smooth motion, it reduces strain on your knees and hips. Built from durable materials, it's easy to clean and fits most toilets. It's one of those gadgets that quietly restores independence in a very personal way, making daily routines easier and more comfortable. This lotion applicator makes personal care effortless. With an extended handle and rolling head, it spreads lotion evenly across hard-to-reach areas. It even adds a gentle massage while you apply it. No twisting, no straining, just smooth, easy movement. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly satisfying to use. A small luxury that makes daily self-care feel easy again. It stores your pills neatly and reminds you exactly when to take them. Whether it's one prescription or several, it simplifies your routine completely. No confusion, no missed doses. It's especially helpful for seniors managing multiple medications. Think of it as a personal assistant dedicated to your health, quietly keeping you on schedule every day. This transfer bench lets you sit down and slide in safely. No stepping over high edges, no loss of balance. With a sturdy frame and non-slip legs, it stays firmly in place even on wet surfaces. The seat is comfortable, and the adjustable height ensures a perfect fit. It's designed for safety, but it also brings confidence back to your routine. Getting in and out of bed becomes much easier with these sturdy bed rails. They provide a secure grip, reducing the risk of falls and making movement safer. Adjustable and foldable, they fit almost any bed size. Plus, they come with a storage pouch for essentials. It's a simple upgrade that turns your bed into a safer, more supportive space. From simple comforts to life-saving tools, these devices are changing daily life for seniors as